Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another gun trainer. On the actual thumbnail it says, will it work? My WS, revamped WS 400.
Oh no.
The WS 400, as you see in that little clip, died. It was leaking from the packing screw and a little bit around the cap. Now I did notice one of the actual sealing washers around the cap is missing. It was old, so I've got to get like a little TLC kit for it, new packing screw and some other bits, and we'll get it up and running. But what we'll do is we'll move on to the W400, the Valeria 1.3. I'll just give you a little clear coat session with that. Get a video out for you guys, because I didn't want to like sort of let you down. I was really hoping that the WS was going to work today, and it's not. So I'll stick you on the cap cam, enjoy the music and enjoy a drop of clear with the W400 Ibotta. See you in a bit. There you go, there's the first coat down. Gone down nice with that. It's really disheartening when you aim in this booth to get really nice finishes each time, and you've seen on the camera guys the finishes that I can get, but it's so disheartening in this booth when the amount of stuff that lands in these panels. They just get absolutely covered. I mean, there's dirt nibs and there's nibs. You're probably looking at about 50 to 60 per panel, every time. And I wash the booth out, I scrub the walls, I wet the floor down, I stack gun it at the beginning, I stack gun it in between base coats, blow it down, and I've tried all different ways, but all the door seals are gone. When you put this oven on bake, you can stand outside and there's more heat coming outside the doors than there is in the oven. So it's just a battle that I'm never going to win, but you aim as a painter to get good finishes, and you walk away from this job every single day feeling like it, knowing that you can do better, but there's nothing you can do because the booths are atrocious. So you just pray on the next coat that you bury. As you can see, the amount of stuff in that coat there, there's just hundreds and hundreds of specks of dust, and then you're trying to bury it that much with the next coat of clear and pray that you don't get a run. It's annoying, guys. So that's the first coat of clear with the W400. Great gun, really is. Nice fan pattern. You can control it really nice. You just slow down and just butter it on, as I say, with the clear coat. Goes down really well. Flows out really nice with this. So yeah, we'll let these flash off. Smash the next coat down and then I'm going home. But it's been a long day. I've been in here since 4 o'clock this morning. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit, guys. There you go, guys, all done. That's the last one. Absolutely hammered the clear on. You have to bury the bits. So there's bare minimal now. You see in that last clip there was loads. So you just bury it to the point. Still got nibs here. One here. But they're flowing out nice. You get a lovely flat finish with the W400. So that's them all done, and I'm done for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about the WS. We'll get it revamped eventually, but while we've got that one and the DeVille Blisses, we'll just use these in the booth. So I hope you can join me in the next one, which will be, fingers crossed, it's going to be back on the e-bike build. I've got a bit more to do on that. I've had a few things turn up, and the brake discs turn up. They're coming. The seats come in Friday, so I've got to mock up a custom seat for that. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.